So not only is YouTube great for finding all these informational videos, but I like to think of our little community as a garage gang. So we've got all these different channels out there, different guys working on their cars, working in their garages, doing different things, all the way from professional, you know, to guys like me just trying to make it happen in the garage. But anytime I find a good channel, I love to share it with you guys. And I know I've mentioned these two channels before. So we've emailed back and forth and we did a sticker exchange. I sent them a couple of my decals with my channel logo on there and they've sent me theirs. So let's take a look at these and we'll get them up on the board here so that we can highlight our favorite channels in the Garage Gang. All right, so the first one is Scott Rods. Check that out. I love that logo. What an angry unicorn. So he's up there working on an old car called Bugsy, and he's doing some really good work. He's documenting the process through his videos, and just really appreciate the videos he puts out in the channels. And again, awesome logo. So we're gonna get that one up on there. Thanks, Dave. Appreciate you sending these. I love them. Okay, so the next one is from the Underground Paint King. Guy's got an awesome channel. He sent me his stickers. These ones are really cool. They're easy peel. I like that little tab on there. You know how trying to peel the backing off is tough sometime. And then he sent this card with it, which is super cool. And I've been thinking about doing this, so I think this just sealed the deal for me. I don't know how many times I've been out and about talking to people and talking about YouTube channels, and I let them know I've got a channel, and I just wish I had a business card or something to hand them. And dude, this is a great idea, so thanks for spurring that thought and kicking that along for me. So you guys need to go check out the UPK channel, Underground Paint King. The guy's doing all kinds of great work up there. He's doing custom spray painting in a shop, in his home garage. He's doing some what he calls cut and paste, which I love that term, of sort of some collision repair work. He's got a super nice shop, and dude, if you're listening, you got to tell the story about the Spider-Man on top of your shop. So in one of your videos you showed that, and I just thought that was the coolest thing. So thank you so much for sending these stickers. Appreciate it. Got to share the love. And guys, check out Underground Paint King, check out Scott Rods, and tell them Nate sent you from Heavy Pedal Garage. Now let's get these up on the board so we can show our support. So we got the UPK Easy Peel. Gonna stick that right up here next to DNA Performance. Boom. UPK, Underground Paint King. All right, here we go with Scott Rods, Angry Unicorn. Loving it. We're gonna center that right underneath Sean's Rustic Designs. Get that black and white theme going there. So thanks for stopping by Heavy Pedal Garage. Hit the like button if you think this video was okay. And if you want, subscribe, follow along as we work on this Firebird that I have here in my garage. Big intentions in a little garage. You're gonna wanna see how it turns out. And also, if you're interested in merchandise like these stickers, you can go to my TeeSpring Store. The link is in the description. There's a few different ways you can support the channel here so that we can keep on bringing some of this quality content to you. So thanks again, Scott Rods, UPK, love the stickers. Catch me next time, guys.